Thank you for joining us for News 8. First at 4, I'm Natalie Kutchko. We begin with that breaking news. The Monroe County Sheriff's Office releasing body-worn camera footage of the deadly shooting inside the Super 8 motel in Henrietta. This is where a deputy, maybe two, shot and killed a man holding a knife. Adam Chodak joining us now with more on this case. Adam, where do we stand with everything?
Well, Natalie, the Monroe County Sheriff's Office literally within the last 60 seconds wrapped up a briefing in which they showed the body-worn camera video. So we are working quickly now to get that packaged up so we can show that to you. While we do that, though, we want to review the case here, the shooting, along with the allegations now being made by the wife of the man who was fatally shot. What's known is that 62-year-old Gregory Case was shot dead by Monroe County Sheriff's deputies inside a room at this motel on Lehigh Station Road in Henrietta. Now, after this happened on August 9th, the Sheriff's Office told News 8 that Case had been holding a box cutter and ignored several commands to put it down. In new court paperwork, Case's wife Bonnie says that she was the reason that deputies responded, having called 911 to tell them that he was suicidal, adding that he was mentally ill and deaf. It's unknown right now if deputies Christopher Piper and Nicole Gorman knew all that when they entered his motel room. Bonnie Case's attorney, Elliot Shields, says this is what happened next.
He's naked. He stands in the bathroom. He doesn't make any sudden movements towards the officers. He doesn't threaten them in any way. He just doesn't immediately drop the knife. And because he didn't immediately drop the knife, despite the fact that he was no immediate threat to their safety, didn't pose an imminent threat of harm to them in any way, they fired 2 shots and killed him.
Shields says the deputies could have simply left the room, shut the door, and called a team trained for mental health crises. Or they could have used pepper spray or a taser.
I've been in this position before with other clients, and I've seen numerous other videos. To me, this is the clearest case where the Attorney General's office should bring an indictment against these officers that I have ever seen.
I should note that the Monroe County Sheriff's Office, in their briefing, again, it just finished up, they blamed Case for what happened to him here. Supporters of body-worn cameras, by the way, they look at a case like this and say, this is exactly why it's needed. Perhaps the community can understand why police used lethal force in this case, or other authorities in the legal system can use this body-worn camera video to hold the officers accountable. We're going to have to see which direction this goes in. Natalie?
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.